Hi guys, let's make jerk chicken quesadillas. We're gonna start by prepping our ingredients. I have two small sweet peppers here, one orange and one green, and I'm going to dice them into medium-sized dices. I also have a red onion. I'm gonna dice in medium-sized squares as well. And we're gonna set them aside and prep the rest of our ingredients. Not only is this recipe easy, but the ingredients are simple. Here I have other ingredients. You're gonna need a half cup of corn, a half to 1 cup of cheese, a half cup of diced onion, and a half cup of diced sweet peppers. I'll also be using Tufayan plain wraps for this recipe. Set those ingredients aside and we're gonna move on to seasoning our chicken breast. Go ahead and clean your chicken, pat it dry, and then I'm gonna add some parsley, black pepper, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm using about a pinch or two of salt, and I'll be using the mild Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. I'm using about a tablespoon of that. You're gonna go in and rub the seasoning into your chicken, and once you've done that, go ahead and set your chicken aside for at least 30 minutes before cooking. Start cooking your chicken by adding some oil to your cast iron skillet. Once it gets hot, go ahead and add your chicken breast in, and we are going to cook these until they are cooked through, about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on the thickness of your chicken breast. Of course, the smaller pieces in my pan, I had removed them first because they cooked quicker than the bigger pieces. If needed, go ahead and add some more oil to the pot to help with the cooking process. I went ahead and covered my chicken for about 2 minutes to help the chicken cook through properly. Once your chicken is finished, go ahead and remove it from the pot and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to proceed to cutting our chicken breast into chunks. On to the fun part. We are going to assemble our quesadillas. So I added my tortilla to my pan and I allowed it to heat for a few seconds. I then went in with cheese, corn, the seasoning, and then the jerk chicken. And on top, I added some more cheese. And then we are gonna fold it over, fold it in half. And after about a minute or so, or until the cheese starts to melt, you're gonna flip it over on the other side, allow the cheese to melt, and then you can remove your tortilla. And we repeat the process until we get as much quesadillas from the ingredients that you have. And that is pretty much it. You just repeat this process until you're all done. And it's very easy, very simple, very family friendly. So if you have kids that you're trying to get involved in cooking, then I think that this is a fun recipe that you can try with them. And this is a meal that you can also get creative with. You can use your favorite ingredients. To this, you could probably add some jerk sauce in there or some barbecue sauce. But just get creative. But look at that, it's so delicious. Once I finish all my quesadillas, I just cut them into, I get 3 pieces from each tortilla, and that's it, guys. So let us know what you think about this recipe, what you do different, and if you've tried it and you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.